off leash and ran into the
guys. As you can see, I've got two little rascals in the back with me, and we are gonna go get the today. Yeah. So we'll see you there. Guys, we are pulling into the veterinarian clinic. And they're just opening it up. Yeah. Okay, now to get these guys out of the car. We'll see how that goes. So, I'm sitting here at the clinic. Nobody's answering the door. Not so happy with my clinic right now. My dogs are scared of the highway. We don't live anywhere near a highway like this. Elroy got off leash and ran into the road. Bubba got away from me as I was trying to get Elroy. Saw the flag across the street over there and thought it was something he needed to run after, so he ran all the way across the highway, but then he ran back to me. Not having a happy day. My goodness. And they said that they would be open at 7:30. Nobody's here. Somebody's here, but nobody answered the door. This is not a good way to start this off. Not a happy customer right now. And these guys are finally safe, but they are not very well leash trained, which is my fault, 100%. And they pull me really hard. And so you can see why they get away from me. They are very strong dogs. So not having a good day. Finally, they're in there. They're going to be neutered this morning. They might spend the night. This is a busy freeway. It's 79 in Stewart County. And it's a busy road. And that Bubba ran all the way across the road and then came back. Scared the you-know-what out of me. Let's just say Charlie Foxtrot. And then Elroy got off, he backed out of his collar, wanted to run onto the freeway as well. All because this clinic told me to be here between 7 and 7:30, when they are not even here until like 7:45. So, I mean, it's not their fault that my dogs got off leash at all. That's not their fault, but it's not okay that they're not here when they say they're going to be here either. Okay, on my way home now. Gonna call my husband. My goodness. All right, you guys, we are on our way back to get the puppies. We'll see how they're doing. This time I brought pinch collars. I hate to use that kind of thing, but I cannot have them running across the freeway. So, not gonna happen again on my watch. So, see you when we get there. Probably see you after we're in the car. I can't hold two dogs and try to film at the same time. Not gonna risk it. So, we'll see you when they're in the back seat. Okay, got my boys. Almost $900 later. Crazy prices. And they are ready to go home. They did not want to get back in the car. They do not like the car. because this is what happens when they go in the car. So I had to have the people help me get him back in the car. Okay, Bobby. Okay. I know you're drowsy. Come on. Get yourself up, honey. It's okay, baby. I know. Baba, what's the matter? Bubby, you seem a little on the tired side, buddy. Huh? You too, you're just gonna sit there in a daze? Huh? Yeah. Elroy.
Because we have such an awesome team, we've got some of the best storm chasers on earth.
You tired, buddy?
With us today. We're not only going to be able to
Boys, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. Good night. You guys sleep well. Yeah. Thank you guys. I think they're gonna be all right and all okay. And they got in the car. It was really, really hard to get them in. 2 people. And this guy almost offered to help out after that even. Thank you guys. It was a very rough night. Bubba cried all night. Didn't like wearing his collar at all. We only put the collars on at night when we can't watch them. And he did not like that. So he cried all night, and hopefully now he's sleeping fine. And then, of course, after not sleeping most of the night, wake up to tornado warnings and severe wind going through and bad storm. But everybody's okay. Everybody's fine. And they're sleeping right now in, well, Bubba's in my lap, and Elroy's laying in the chair next to me. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a great and wonderful day, and God bless. Bye.